All right, guys, today we're going to be opening this Milwaukee press and flipper knife. This was recommended to me by a viewer. Let's open up and see if it is any good. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to open this up. As you know, or I don't know maybe, I have another video on this knife right here, which is my Klein razor knife, and I'm going to tell you what, this thing is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and open the Milwaukee knife with the Klein knife. Seems like it just shouldn't be, but let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now, like I mentioned, this thing was recommended to me by a viewer saying that the Milwaukee is hands down better than the Klein. So we're gonna see. I've been waiting to do this for a while now. I've had this for a minute. So we're gonna see. This is my first impression. You'll see I'm opening it right now. Right out of the gate, I like it because it comes with a few extra blades. Looks like 2 there. Let's go ahead and take it out and see. All right, so it feels just like the FASTBACK, actually, why? Because it is a FASTBACK. Like the other Hawk bill that I have. So far, so good. I'm gonna put the blade, actually, let me see if I can flip it open. Okay, very first time ever, if you remember on the Klein video, when I tried to flick it open, it wouldn't flick. Let's see if we can flick it open like it says. Oh, hold on. I gotta let the button go. So not really. Okay, so you gotta do it pretty hard. Maybe as it opens up a few more times. This thing did it without a blade flawlessly. Every time. Let's see if it does the 3/4 spot too. Okay, so it's either full open or not, where this one right here will go 3/4 way. And I do like that now. I use this quite a bit. And I like that because you can, I mean, it fits your hand just perfect, so. But anyway, we're not talking about this knife right now. We're talking about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blade in real quick and see what it looks like with the blade in. Okay, so I thought it came with 2 blades, but it just comes with 1, but that's fine. I've got plenty of these blades, so I should just be able to stick it in there. And don't cut my fingers because this thing is super sharp. Just like that, we're in. It's pretty nice. Now let's flick it open with the blade. Dude, every time. No trick photography here. So I'm gonna say flicker part of it, it's amazing. But what about the screwdriver? I think I like the screwdriver. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This is a nice feature because now I got the flat and the Phillips, where on the Klein, this is not really a comparison video, but it will be eventually. The Klein, the only thing I have on this is a Phillips. So, but I do like how you can take this out and put it in a drill. That's about a cool item that I really do like. So, I've had no issues with this one yet, but this one here, wow, you can't take this part out, but I don't know that you need to. Let's try to screw something. All right, let's see. I must say this is more comfortable, honestly, than the Klein. It's doing a good job. Yeah, it's doing a good job. It's almost like it's center drive too, compared to my Klein. This is really not a Klein video comparison, but you can see the difference here. I mean, it's a big difference. So, yeah, so far so good. Let's keep messing with it. So let's talk a little bit about what you get in here. You get a 6-in-1, you got a bottle opener, a wire stripper, a Phillips number 1, a Phillips number 2, a 1/4 inch driver, and then a flat. And you can even store a blade in the handle, which is pretty amazing. Quick change blade, you push this little button right here and see it. Let's see how quick it is. You push the button, boom, comes right out. And then your blade will go right into the handle, and I don't really want to put, oh, I'm gonna put it in there so I can show you. So it goes right in your handle right here. Boom. And it nests right in there. So now when you want another blade, you just pull it out. This is all new to me, so I'm just trying to learn as we go on the camera. So you pull it out, boom, put it in. I think if you push the button, the blade may go in a little more smooth. Oh yeah. Boom. Really nice. I love the pocket clip, the skeleton knife pocket clip. Let's put it on my pants and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna give this thing a good workout. This is probably one of my less, oh my gosh, videos, but I'm blown away. It's got a bottle top opener. I don't drink beer or anything, so it does have a bottle top opener, but if you're a single guy and you're at a bar, you can get you a girl with this thing. You can open her beer if you need to. So anyway, so far so good. Yeah, we're gonna do a comparison video on the Klein after I use this thing. I'll come back and I'll talk a little bit about it, and we'll see. Tether ready and everything. So guys, I know this wasn't a very hyped up video, but I'm gonna say it's a good knife so far. So stick around, wait for the next video to come up, guys. If you wanna see the Klein unboxing of this, check right here in the corner. It will be coming up. You can see what I think about this. I've been carrying this one every single day until today. So we'll see what happens. So check out that video. If you have any comments or anything you want to see, drop me a comment down below if you want to support my channel. Links for Buy Me a Coffee will be down in there. Help support the channel, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be on the lookout for the updated video of this.